So guys, do you want a cool way to make passive money online? Affiliate marketing could be the move. It's basically a business where you share other people's products or services and grab a commission anytime someone buys or signs up through you. Whether you're blogging, creating content, or just kicking things off, affiliate marketing opens up tons of chances. In this video, I will walk you through how it works and show you step by step how to start earning real cash from it. By the way, if you're new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here we talk about how to make money online and how-to tutorials. This video will be just an explanatory video about the processes involved in affiliate marketing. If you want strategies or wish to go deeper, check the link in the description to watch part 2 of this video. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Let's start by explaining what affiliate marketing is. It's a results-driven setup where affiliates earn money by pushing another company's products or services. The whole system has 3 main players: the merchant, who makes the product, the affiliate who promotes it, and the consumer. Affiliates use special referral links, and whenever someone buys through that link, the affiliate gets a commission from the sale. Now, there are several affiliate platforms you can join. Some of them are Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and we have some niche-focused platforms. To become very good in affiliate marketing, you must know your audience. The best affiliates really know their audience and only hype products they truly trust. Picking a niche like tech, beauty, health, or finance helps build credibility and keeps you relevant. Beginners need to realize this isn't some instant cash scheme. Real success comes from putting out solid content, pulling traffic to your links, and sticking with a long-term plan. Step 2. Pick the right niche. Locking in a solid niche is key for affiliate marketing wins. A niche just means a focused slice of the market for a certain product or service. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to pull in a loyal crowd. The best niches are ones you're into, have steady demand, and bring solid commission chances. Popular money-making niches include health and wellness, personal finance, digital goods, and tech. When picking, think about competition. Too much makes it tough to shine. Too little might mean nobody's interested. Use tools like Google Trends, Ubers, and keyword planners to check how strong a niche really is. Step 3. Create content and pull traffic. Good content is the fuel behind affiliate marketing. Whether you're writing blogs, making videos, sending emails, or posting on socials, your stuff should teach, entertain, or solve problems for your audience. Formats can be product reviews, how-to guides, comparisons, tutorials, or case studies. SEO, search engine optimization, is key for grabbing free traffic from Google and other search engines. Use keywords tied to your niche and lean on long-tail ones that match what people actually search. Tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush help with keyword planning. Beyond SEO, think about platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest, depending on your niche and vibe. Email marketing is another strong option. Build a list by giving away value, like a free ebook or guide. Step 4. Start making money smartly. Once you've got traffic and trust, focus on turning clicks into cash. Pick affiliate programs that give solid commissions, track reliably, and sell quality stuff. Some pay per sale, pay per click, or pay per lead. High-ticket programs pay bigger, but they usually need more trust and convincing. Where you drop links matters. Putting them inside engaging content, at the end of posts, or in call-to-action buttons boosts clicks. Test different products, landing pages, and content styles to see what performs best. Tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards help track which links actually convert. Also think about building your own landing pages with tools like lead pages or ClickFunnels to pre-sell products more effectively. Step 5. Grow and automate. Once your affiliate setup starts pulling steady income, shift focus to scaling and automation. Make more evergreen content that ranks on search engines and keeps bringing traffic over time. Outsource stuff like writing, video editing, or SEO so you can spend more energy on strategy. Build funnels to automate leads and conversions. Use email sequences to warm up leads and push offers automatically. Repurpose your content across different platforms to reach more people with less extra work. Keep updating your best posts so they stay ranked and relevant. Think about paid ads like Facebook or Google once your funnel is converting well. Join affiliate networks to find fresh offers and boost income streams. Connect with other affiliates or join mastermind groups for tips and teamwork. Keep a close eye on performance. Stay sharp with trends and never stop testing and learning. If you're into this video and want more like it, smash that thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit the subscribe button. That way, you'll get notified whenever I drop a video and never miss out on future tips and tricks I share here.